Ellie and I went to the thrift store and we were looking for things for her baby shower because her baby shower is on Sunday. So I created a whole Pinterest board. Ellie wanted a fruit-themed baby shower, and Ellie is so picky. I created this whole Pinterest board and I showed it to her, and she liked about 4 of the projects. It is a super special video because I challenged 8 of my favorite YouTube channels to go to the thrift store and see how much stuff you can paint with 16 ounces of our new sampler box DIY paint. Be sure and click on the playlist down below to see all the other YouTubers and what they did. And you are not going to want to miss this. It is going to be so much fun. I challenged everybody to take our new summer sampler box. Everybody in the challenge has to take all these colors, go to the thrift store and get a bunch of stuff and see how much they can paint and show how far our paint will go. These are just 2-ounce jars, but they will go a really, really long way. Let me just show you what's in here. You get a brochure full of all kinds of fun, colorful projects. There's a QR code that will take you to the videos on how to do that. I thought we would do baby shower decor with these. We're gonna go to the thrift store. We're gonna look for stuff. I have a whole Pinterest board that Ellie's gonna link. Her theme is fruit. It's strawberries, lemons, limes, pineapple. I'm super excited.
We just got 2 consignment classics. Debi already found something.
It really helps to create a Pinterest board before you go shopping. And we found this beautiful bowl that Ellie wanted to keep after the baby shower. I knew that I needed about 3 Lazy Susans and a bunch of planters that would look like pineapples. I was also just keeping my eye out for any kind of fruit-themed decor. Everything else we will be selling on our website after the baby shower is over.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this into a giant grapefruit slice. I'm gonna get out my colors here. I need the Flirtatious, the White Swan, and maybe a little bit of Cowgirl Coral, and we will get started. Okay, I need a smaller circle inside the big circle, so I'm just gonna use some chalk. I put a lampshade down just to make my circle. Now, this part is supposed to be like a soft lemon yellow. So I'm gonna use the Liquid Sunshine mixed in with more White Swan to get a buttery yellow shade.
Find a little spot in the shade, pink lemonade, pink lemonade. Everything is going my way, pink lemonade.
Now we need to add the pink edge and the pink in the middle. I cut a little template out of cardstock. I am just going to chalk it in so that I get everything evenly spaced, and then I will paint. You can find these sampler boxes on our website or from one of our DIY paint retailers. You get 8 beautiful colors, 2-ounce jars, and you are gonna see how crazy far this paint will go.
Debi's really excited.
I take a sip and I'm in heaven. The dopamine is dripping on my brain. Imagination's at 11. Reality is gonna fade away. I might go to Monte Carlo. I might spend $1 million floating down the Riviera. Now I'm Elon Musk. Find a little spot in the shade. Pink lemonade, pink lemonade. Everything is going my way. Pink lemonade, pink lemonade. Rolling in my black Bugatti.
Okay, I had to make the template a little bit smaller and erase some of the chalk lines, so it's a good thing that I used chalk.
That's when I'm sipping on the magical juice. I'm Willy Wonka and I'm swimming through the colorful hues. Life is really just a lemon that you don't get to choose.
That's pretty adorable. I need to go over the white in between and try and get rid of some of those chalk lines. But how cute is that? And then I'll seal it and it will be part of our centerpiece. We got these 4 planters at the thrift store today, and we want to make them look like the pineapple planters that we found on Pinterest. So in order to paint ceramic, I always like to give it a coat of Salvation solution. Comes in clear and white. I'm going to use the clear because that's what I have. It is super strong. You can see, look at the lid is like sticky stuck on there. I'm going to have to pry it off, but it's very, very good primer. I'm going to use my really good brush for this. Just make sure if you do use a nice brush that you rinse it out immediately when you're done, because the Salvation solution is very strong and very sticky. And you will want to let this dry overnight before you apply paint.
Okay, we're gonna run into Anthropology now because how could we not? And see if we can find a bathing suit.
Ellie's baby shower is a pool party. I wanted to get her a super cute bathing suit so she would feel very special. But like I said, she's real picky. A side trip to Anthro because Ellie needs something to wear to her baby shower. That's Farm Rio from the sale rack. I love this dress. So cute. Yeah. And then a swimsuit and her belly will just pop right out.
We'll see.
Look at her Crocs. Okay, I like it. Ellie's not sure. The Salvation solution has been drying overnight. Now we are gonna turn these into pineapples.
Got stuck you were looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck you were looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. The waiting's done and you find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you feel.
I'm at the wholesale plant place. Ellie loves to come here, but she's really feeling it with the pregnancy. So pray for her that she has energy and she enjoys the shower. I'm gonna go in and see what I can find. Okay, how cute are these little baby ferns? Oh my goodness, I love those. These look like the tops of pineapples to me, so I'm gonna get 4 of those. Okay, this is my living room floor. I've got the kiwi and the grapefruit. I'm gonna finish the lemon probably tonight because I have to get down to the store. And then I have my centerpieces, and now I'm gonna work on the floral centerpieces. And I think I'm gonna take that to Rose because she needs prayer. Her husband is in the hospital, so I thought that might cheer her up.
You put it off, yeah you did it. Life didn't fall apart with it. Couldn't miss what was intended.
I am using the Salty Kiss. I'm gonna cover this whole thing and see if I can pull off a kiwi this time, because Ellie really liked the kiwis.
Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Call it in on your favors, call them in. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Allow yourself some grace, you can have it. Just like the wind, just let it pass through. Just let it pass you, you do what you do. Just like the wind.
It is Tuesday morning, just finished working out. I'm going into Trader Joe's. I want to do a mock floral arrangement for Ellie's shower. I can't buy the flowers until the day before so that they're nice and fresh, but I want to make sure that they're going to look the way that I want them to look. I have a Pinterest inspiration image that Ellie's going to insert here. So we're going into Trader Joe's. I never go to Trader Joe's. Here we go.
Nothing happened by accident. Flowers bloom cause you planted them. Water them to perfection. And now there's no more empty vases. Passionate and so nurturing. Watch it grow from the seeds you send.
So these are the little bags we found at the thrift store. I put the floral foam down in there. I think I should probably line it with something because otherwise when I pour water, obviously it's gonna make the bag not right. So I'm thinking either this or saran wrap. I think I came up with a better idea. I have a bunch of these plastic pots and they have little things on the bottom that fit inside this bag, and I don't want the bag to get all gross and wet. So I just cut up the floral foam. I'm gonna add water to it, which should weigh it down and make it sit nice, and then I can stick the flowers in.
You got your mama's sunshine, you got your daddy's rain. You're like a piece of heaven in a hurricane.
It's starting to look pretty cute. I want to add the grapefruits, but the grapefruits are huge. So I tried lemons and things on Pinterest, you know, they always seem so doable, and then you try to implement it and it's like, is this lemon gonna get juice everywhere? I think it should be down low so that it doesn't flop around. I mean, that does look pretty cute. I'm gonna show you the grapefruit now. I don't know about the grapefruit. I want to make this look all aesthetic and everything, but I don't even know. What do you think? If you look at the inspiration photo, most of the grapefruits are just solid. I think I need a bigger basket. The one I'm gonna take to Rose, I'm just gonna give her the other half of the lemon. I think they'll be good the day of the party. Like, I do love the idea, but I don't wanna give Rose a massive grapefruit. So I'm gonna fix this and take it down to her. The point of this video is to show you how far the paint goes. We still have so much paint left. I haven't even cracked all the colors over there. Ellie has a pot from Pinterest that she really likes. It's like a pale pink background with little strawberries. And I've got 20 pots here. So I'm gonna see if I can at least blow through those two colors. Because so far I've been painting, but I'm not even close to using it all.
Always static when I try to speak. Not an addict, I just need some sleep.
I painted all these pots. This is how much paint I use. Like, I don't even think it's half. Did you know that I painted all of those with this and I haven't even used half of it yet? That's amazing, right?
Yeah,
I have really good paint, right?
goes a long way.
Do you know what this color is called?
Clay.
Cowgirl Coral. What's your favorite color?
I don't have a favorite color.
Don't you like apothecary?
No.
No? Well, that's in
Well,
your...
actually, I don't know what color that is right now.
That's the color that you use in your house, that green color.
Okay.
Do you like DIY paint?
Yeah, I love it.
All right, so Ellie is going to insert the picture of the strawberry pot that she liked. I am just freehanding these. They just seem to be a basic shape. And the strawberries go in all different directions in her inspo photo. Whenever I paint freehand, I get a little bit nervous, but this is the perfect kind of project to give you confidence. After 20 strawberries, you just kind of get over yourself. And if there's one tip I can give you, it's get enough paint on your brush and confident brush strokes. If you're tentative with your brush strokes and you make it too precious, it's going to be a shaky lines. Don't be afraid to paint. It's only paint. You can do it. Well, I finished 3 and I have plenty of paint. I don't know if I'm gonna do all of them. I might need some help. My aunt's gonna be here, so hopefully other people will paint strawberries with me.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out.
Okay, you guys, we have done so well with the t-shirts that we got a bunch of new ones. And this one right here will be so good for Ellie's baby shower. Look, it says fruit of the spirit, and then it has all this cute fruit on it. It's on the back. And then there's a strawberry on the front. Maybe this will be one of the prizes, because I guess we're playing baby shower games. I don't know. This blue one that has different scripture verses on it. They're all on our website, but the artwork is so pretty. I really like this one because it's potter and clay, like my paint. And it says, you are the potter and I am the clay. And then look at all the cute pottery, super cute pottery. This one says, I am who you say I am, with the butterfly. So all of these are new, and on the website we have small through extra large, and they're stinking cute.
Look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us.
It is Wednesday. I'm heading down to the store to see if Jenny will help me seal up the platters that I did and the planters. I only have 6 strawberry pots so far. I'm really wanting to get to at least 20. We have 40 people coming, but my sister also made bath bombs. So I'm trying to just remain calm. There's a lot to do. Plus we're launching the big sampler boxes and I need to go live from my retailers. It's always busy, busy, busy. And if I haven't told you, Ellie's going to be on maternity leave soon. So I'm trying to find an editor to help me because I don't know what's going to happen without her. She does so much for me. So let's go to the store and see how much we can get done. I got help painting the strawberries. Jenny, are you having fun?
Of course. It's always fun to paint. Learn how to paint.
Yeah. Thank goodness, because I didn't want to paint all of the strawberries. How many per pot?
I don't know. I'm doing like 4 or 5. That's not too
This is
bad.
how much paint we have left after doing all that. I would say we have 40% left of Flirtatious, 50% left of Cowgirl Coral, 50% left of a Salty Kiss, 50% left of White Swan and Liquid Sunshine. I didn't even use Mint Chip or Sea Glass. A tiny bit of the black. And we painted all that stuff. Like, I know I'm probably going to be the worst one in this challenge as far as using paint, but you can check out the other YouTubers and see how far they got. The paint goes a long way. I'd have to make like 500 strawberry pots to go through all this paint. The shower is on Sunday. I am definitely going to get some clips and show you how everything turned out in the next video. If you would like to find the products we featured in this video, or if you would like to find DIY paint in your area or sell it in your store, click the link below. And don't forget, there are 8 other videos in the Thrift Store Paint Challenge. Click the link below.
Ready, putting on my suede shoes some days. You just gotta let loose, hit every street like a dance floor. My favorite song, get it thumping. It's been way too long since I hit the Stars Boulevard for the evening. Take a little step, get the groove a little